love about this dress is the color. It's outrageous. And I love the material. It's very slinky, stretchy, soft. And I love that it's a 58 in length. The bust is very flexible. Could be worn at 34 or 36. But the color takes the cake. Just tops it. Beautiful. And so it's very, very flexible. See how the fabric stretches with ease? And definitely could be worn 34, possibly to 38. The waist, very flexible, 24, starts at 28 really, but then just stretches or clings to the body, either way. And, oh, fabric is just so slinky and beautiful. I love it. It's gorgeous. It's definitely like the perfect dress to have in your wardrobe. For any time that you're just irritated, you don't really feel like putting on all kinds of stuff, but you just want to look smashing. Especially because you're irritated. You want to brighten up your mood. So this will definitely. I love the bust line too because it's just kind of like really petite. It's not like all 80s and bulky. It's just like kind of narrow, pretty bust line. Love that. There's its label. Label. So here is an incomparable Joan Leslie for Casper, and a lot of people associate her label with the 80s, but this, you know, she was around in the 60s and 70s, at least the 70s, because this dress is from the 70s. And it's got a lot of detail. Love the ruching below the belt, and the color is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the fabric is fabulous. This is a 33 in length, so it makes a